Prompt engineering: what and how to earn millions using AI tools? It's too soon to tell how big prompt engineering will become, but a range of companies and industries are beginning to recruit for these positions. Anthropic, a Google-backed AI startup, is advertising salaries up to $335,000 for a prompt engineer and librarian in San Francisco. Applicants must have a creative hacker spirit and love solving puzzles, the listing states. Prompt engineering is all about using AI as a powerful tool to enhance your productivity, creativity, and ultimately, your earning potential. Today, we have a riveting topic to discuss that's been taking the business world by storm: prompt engineering and the incredible potential of AI tools. So, grab your notepads, sit back, and get ready to learn how you too can tap into this gold mine. I'm gonna give you some free links where you can start using these tools, which are based on ChatGPT-4. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI, this side Asif Imanid. What is the buzz all about? Prompt engineering is a field of artificial intelligence that deals with the process of creating prompts for AI models. Prompts are essentially instructions that tell the AI model what to do. By carefully crafting prompts, you can influence the output of the AI model and get it to generate the desired results. Be as specific as possible. When crafting a prompt, the fewer details you provide, the more assumptions the AI model has to make. Including constraints in your prompt will guide the model better to produce outputs closer to what you have in mind. Think of AI chatbots as very bright kids that need to be shown an example sometimes when your task is complex. Try to feed examples that are similar to the data you're working with to produce better outputs. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our latest videos on AI and technology. We have really interesting videos coming in the future, which will help you grow, gain knowledge and eventually earn, which you definitely don't want to miss, so hit that bell icon and subscribe. I'm gonna tell you 4 ways by which you can earn millions using prompt engineering. 1. The first way is by leveraging AI-generated content to drive traffic and boost your website's search engine rankings. By consistently creating fresh, relevant content, so search engines will reward you with higher visibility, and as we all know, more visibility means more potential customers. And hence you can have your own website or you can do it for other businesses by working as a freelance prompt engineer. Freelance prompt engineers can find work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. They can also find work by reaching out to businesses and organizations that are using AI models. Two. The second way to earn millions is by creating and selling AI-generated content as a service. Many businesses are looking for unique and engaging content to captivate their audiences, and they are willing to pay big bucks for it. By offering content creation services powered by AI, you can tap into this growing market and make a fortune. 3. Another way to earn money using prompt engineering is to create and sell your own prompts. There are a number of marketplaces where you can sell your prompts, such as PromptBase and GitHub. You can also sell your prompts directly to businesses and organizations. 4. Finally, you can also earn money by writing blog posts or creating training courses on prompt engineering. There is a growing demand for information on prompt engineering, and you can capitalize on this demand by creating valuable content. And there you have it, folks. Prompt engineering, combined with the power of AI tools, is a goldmine waiting to be exploited. Whether you're looking to drive traffic, offer content creation services, or even develop your own products, prompt engineering can pave the way to your financial success. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI and start earning those millions. As promised, here are free AI prompts for you, also given in the description below. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.